Employment law is an area that is fascinating to me. I look at different areas, whether it's advising a company on something that they need to do or not do in their personnel environment with their employees, or actually filing a lawsuit against a company for mistreatment of an employee through a termination or some other event during their employment. The employment law practice is expansive. And again, what we do with that is we bring the client in, we hear what happened to them during their employment, we do a reasonable investigation with regard to that situation, talk to their employer directly. I have no problem calling up the employer, asking them, please explain to me the basis of the termination, or if they're willing, if they're offering the employee a severance agreement, talking to them about negotiating a different severance agreement, and then evaluating whether or not the employer was treating them properly in the first place. Conley Law will handle several different issues with regard to employment. We work for both the employer and the employee. I have worked in my practice in the past for large companies representing them in employment matters, and also sued on behalf of individuals against large companies. I work on both sides of the fence. I represent employers in terms of advising them on issues that they should and should not do in the workplace. I've defended employers in lawsuits. And I also have a plaintiff's practice where, taking all the knowledge that I've gained in my experience over the last several years, suing employers for mistreatment of employees in the workplace.